Hey up, Trev here, Summit or Nothing, up on Dartmoor, and I've just been doing a wild camp by Branscombe's Loaf. I've got my tarp tent and all my gear, and I'm going to do a quick video of how to pack all my gear into a 30 litre Trespass rucksack, just in case you're interested. It was a tight squeeze getting it all in at home. Let's see how I get on here on the middle of the moor with the wind flapping about. Now, I bought another one of these inflatable mats. They are comfortable once you stop fidgeting, and all this yesterday was in my bag so tight. It'd be interesting to see if I can get it all back in there today. I've got a few more layers on me this morning, so there's not so many coats and jumpers in the bag, so that should produce a bit of room. Now, when you're folding these up, it's best to start from the opposite end to where the air thing is, so then any air that you have still caught in there should roll out. Just a case of rolling it as tight as you can. I'm hoping that's the right size for the bag. You can always try it out next to it. Yeah, it's gonna go. See, it's filled with air and you just pop it out like that. Putting your hand on the release valve. Then, easy as pie, tuck it in the bag. Done. Next, it's the sleeping bag, bivvy bag combo. Right, I'm trying to wrap these together. A lot of people suggest just shoving these in your bag. I've got so much in there that if I don't get that compression to start with, then I ain't gonna get nothing in there. Now, it's only a tiny little bag, so it's just a case of shoving it. So I can fill my sleeping bag at the bottom here in the bivvy bag. This will warm me up. Shove. Got to keep pressing real hard. Get this right in there. See, it's starting to fill up now, and still got another halfway to go yet. You'll be surprised how much you can fit in these things. Doesn't look like it's going to go. Just keep going. Keep shoving. Almost. It seems to have popped out. Little bugger. I need to get up on my hands and knees to do it. Get up on my hands and knees, I can get all my weight. Alright. No jokes, please. Oh well, this is going to make the tarp seem easy. Oh, tired now. Get my sleeping bag back out and have a kip. It's as good as we need. Get it on around there and compress. Pull the straps tight. And again. Now that little bundle of joy can sit right down the bottom of my bag. Tuck it out in my rucksack. Right down to the bottom. And I put it widthways. Like that. Next in my bag goes my clothes. So I tuck them down there, make them really compact as you can. Rolling seems to be the best, tightest form of packing. Not a lot in there now, I'm wearing most of it. And then I just fold it up like that. Only rough, that's not really how you do it, because look, the waterproof bit, you're meant to fold it down from that, but I always find you get down to the bottom And there's so much air in there that it just doesn't work. Right, I ain't gonna need me map, so I can tuck that one in there as well at the back. Keep these there. My jet boil go in, and then my water bottles. My jet boil stand goes in first. Then my gas cylinder goes in upside down. And then that one on top, like that. And then the lid. It does tell you how it all packs away. Z. Right, so this has got to go in here. I could probably get it down beside my clothes. Oh, I didn't put the bottom on it. Let me take that down beside my clothes. Next, get that in there. The bottles. Then I just got room. Oh, get my cup in as well, and I put my spoon in this food compartment here with my rubbish from last night as well. My cup just on top. I just put it loose for a second because I've got my tarps going here yet. I've kept my tarp bag out. It's not actually my tarp bag, but it's a slightly bigger bag, and I can usually fit pegs in it as well. But before we do that, I've got to fold up, roll up the mat. You see what I've done here? I've got a couple of compression straps for keeping the mat together. I just thread them through these loops in the front of my bag. Put the bag on, loop it through. They're good little straps. They're like Velcro backed the whole way round, so it doesn't matter what size, what size you're strapping. You can go as big or as small as you need to. Handy. Right, that's it. Let's get all that out. Collapse the poles, and then knock this one down. Come here. Pole 1. Pole 2. I'll see you on the outside. ZD on the outside. Now it's just a case of shoving it into the stuff sack. We'll speed this up so it's not so boring. Keep going, Trev. You're almost there, son. Towards the end it gets a bit harder, but you've got to just squeeze. Keep squeezing. Keep squeezing. I'm just left with all these strings. I should wrap them in there, really. I can't actually remember what this little bag is from, but it's ideal. It's got these loops on it, so I can attach it to the outside of my bag if I wanted, but I think it's going to go in. I didn't put the bloody pegs in. Doesn't matter, because I've still got the actual DD Hammock tarp bag. I'll just put the pegs in that and keep these together. These are great little pegs. You get 4 with the tarp, and then I've bought the rest on AliExpress. Nice and lightweight. Nice and cheap. Let's put that into that. Just keep it together like that, something, you know. And we're just sticking this in the top of the bag, like so. It's a bit of a tight squeeze, but we get it with a drawstring. Now, I don't do it up yet because these things, they go through the loops and then down into these hoops down here, but they don't hold very tight. They flap about all over the place. So what I like to do is use these straps from top and bottom to hold them into place. But first of all, do them up tight so they're kind of doing their job. Pull the drawstrings tight, and then I come up from the inside and over the outside from the bottom. See that? The inside up above, over the outside, and that pulls them, that'll hold them together in one place. There you go, all packed up. Time to hit road. Making sure we've left no trace.